Well, thank you guys for coming in and watching our video today. We're gonna show y'all how to mount a TV in a few easy steps. First, we need to gather our materials.
Level up.
A drill. You need a tape measure. You need a level up, baby. You need a screwdriver. You need an Allen key. You need a socket set. You need an impact drill. And you need a stud finder. A TV mount. All right, then watch my man. He gonna put this TV mount up real quick and real fast. Very simple, very simple. All you need is a screwdriver. I do prefer that you start the screws with your hand first because these TVs are very fragile. Yep. Screw. Another screw. Another one, like DJ Khaled. All right, let's go ahead and screw this in. Very simple, very simplistic. You don't gotta be strong with this. Please don't use a drill when you're doing this. You wanna mess the screw up. All right, that's the first step. All right, now you see a wall, you got a blank canvas. We're gonna use a stud finder. Boop, 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 boop. There you go, stud. That's the edge of the stud. Then we come back from the other side. Boop, 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 boop. You find another edge of the stud. You wanna use a drill bit and a level. All right, so you got a level. Level it, go ahead. All right, now you wanna go ahead and pre-drill using a smaller drill bit. You want to make sure it's smaller than the actual lags themselves. We're using a DeWalt drill head. Yep. All right, now you want to go ahead and use a 13 impact drill. Bow. Just like that. Go ahead and level it again. Make sure you're straight. Using a single stud mount. Drill. Bow. Let the drill do the work. There we go. All right, now we're going to go ahead and put this TV up. Make sure you do your push-ups at home. And eat your Wheaties, people. Eat your Wheaties. All right. Now we're going ahead using leveling bolts. This is where you need your Allen key. All right, start it with your hand once again. Come on, yellow gloves. All right, here we go, Allen key. Very simple. They come in the box, by the way. So people, man, it's real simple. Come in a box. Some of the material. All right, go ahead and screw that on, get it nice and tight. Once again, just a quick tip from LevelUp. You don't want to tighten them all the way because you want to make sure your TV is level. If you tighten them too much and then the TV's cocked, you'll be looking at the TV cockeyed. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and plug the TV in. Simple, if there's an outlet back there. We don't want no wires showing, so we'll go ahead and wrap the cords up using wire ties. You can use zip ties, anything you have available, bread ties. Go right in the kitchen, go get you some bread. Take that off the bread. Y'all, you know how y'all people do. Just go ahead and tie it up, tie the bread up. And then just push the TV in, it's nice and level. Black out. Now you got a nice level TV mounted by the LevelUp. Easy, easy.